Hey yo, it's Chriso. Another little trick I want to show you is when you have no skirting, which is the reason why I've got no skirting on this job is because I'm going tile over tile and it would have made it too small. It's better to go skirting on top, so it makes life easy for me when I'm going around doorways. If I had a skirting, I'd have to scribe it then to my skirting and around my architrave to the door jamb. But now I'm just able to cut it. I've done that one, which I'll fit the tile into there. I'll show you how it's done. Right, that is usually the correct height, like that, by facing your guard on the floor. That's the correct height for the height of your tile, and then a bit of silicone. So just like that. So now the tile just fits straight underneath. I'll show you on this one. So it makes your cutting a lot better, you know, because then you just go whooshka with a bit of silicone and you're home and hose. Once the skirting's in, I'll be coming back to do all the silicone around the skirting and around the architrave and the door jambs and all that. Once the skirting is painted, it needs to be painted first. It's a must, actually, because you shouldn't. It's a bad habit to get into, because the painters get brassed off. You can't paint down to silicone, or it can be done, but it's not the thing to do. So try and avoid it, because the paint doesn't stick to silicone. Are we going to fit under? Oh yes, we are. Not quite. Lift it up, Freddy, just like that. Right, I'll show you this. For all you DIYers, makes it so easy. Then you see I've got a 3mm gap there, but when you're silicone, that gives me a little bit of room for my up and down if I was in a bit of a squeezy position, which sometimes you do. I've got enough room. But when you go around there with silicone, It's beautiful, makes a beautiful job, and that's what it's all about. And for DIYers, it makes the cutting so much easier for you. But sometimes I'll cut around an architrave when I don't have to, if my grinder's not handy or whatever. Sometimes I do, but yeah. Always taking your glue away from the edge. I was going to try and put in my cuts as well, but it makes it too hard to walk, so it's got to be after. Nice. That's it, I like it. Pop that in there, that one in there. I've got to cut this tile for there, so I'll catch up with you shortly so you don't get bored. I'll show you when I'm fitting it. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, woo, yeah, see ya.